I'm here once again to continue our Proverbs, interpretation of Proverbs. At this moment, I want to look at the one that said, a bird at hand worth more than thousands in the bush. A bird at hand, just like this one now, worth more than thousands in the bush, means the one that you have at hand is very, very important. Anything you have at hand, presently, any work you are doing is very important. It is more important than the one that will be coming in future. So, a bird at hand worth more than 30 in the forest. That is what it means. There are many other proverbs we will talk about using this bird, the bird. A bird at hand worth more than thousands in the forest. So, anything you have at hand, it is very important. More than the one that you are dreaming to get in future. So, you hold it well.